Welcome to Prof.Ahilaa Maths, Plus 2 Mathematics, Tamil Nadu State Board Syllabus, Chapter 1, Application of Matrices and Determinants, Video 1:28, Exercise 1.4, second, third, fourth and fifth problems, Solving Systems of Linear Equations by Cramer's Rule. Steps to Cramer's Rule. For 2 and 3 variables, find delta not equal to 0. Second step, find delta 1 or delta x. Third step, find delta 2 or delta y. If it is a 2 by 2 matrix, then you can finish with this step and move to step 5 to find the solution. X equal to delta x by delta, y equal to delta y by delta. Suppose it is a 3 variable problem, then we go for step 4, that is delta 3 we need to find, or delta z, so that the solution of z will be z equal to delta z by delta. Got it? Fine. Dear children, in this lecture we see 4 word problems. The steps to solve such problems are: first of all, read the problem and understand the situation or story. Next, identify the variables. Then, create simultaneous linear equations from the clues given in the problem. That is, we are converting the problem into mathematical model. Then, solve by the method whatever mentioned in the question. Later, interpret the solution as per the situation defined in the problem. Understood? Good. Exercise 1.4, second problem. In a competitive examination, 1 mark is awarded for every correct answer, while 1/4 mark is deducted for every wrong answer. A student answered 100 questions and got 80 marks. How many questions did he answer correctly? Here they have given. Use Cramer's rule to solve the problem. Let us see the solution. Here we can consider the number of correct answers as x variable and number of wrong answers as y variable. And it is given 1 mark is awarded for every correct answer. So I give the marks plus 1 to each x value. Okay. And 1/4 mark is deducted for every wrong answer. So we can give minus 1/4 mark to every wrong answer, that is y variable. Okay. Now it is given 100 questions were answered by the student. So total number of questions equal to 100. From that we can give the equation as x plus y equal to 100. Next, about the marks, he got 80 marks. So this 80 marks includes both the correct and wrong answers. Okay. So total marks scored by the student equal to 80. From this we can create the equation as 1 into x minus 1/4 into y equal to 80. Taking LCM and cross multiplying, we get the equation as 4x minus y equal to 320. So using these two equations, our problem turned to 2 equations in 2 variables. Okay. So what is D? The constant matrix. The right hand side constants. Yes. D equal to column matrix 100, 320. Now as usual you proceed the problem by Cramer's rule. First find delta, which is the determinant of the coefficient matrix. Okay. So first row 1, 1 from the first equation the coefficients, and second row 4 minus 1. Simplifying we get minus 5, which is not equal to 0. So then only we can proceed for Cramer's rule, right? So then find delta x. So replace the first column by D. So here we are getting delta x value as minus 420. Similarly, find delta y. Replacing the second column by D, we are getting minus 80. Now go for finding the solution. X equal to delta x by delta, which is minus 420 by minus 5, that is equal to 84. Y equal to delta y by delta equal to minus 80 by minus 5, that is 16. But in the question they have asked only for the correct answer. Okay, how many questions did he answer correctly? So it is enough to get the value of x alone. Okay, so our solution is number of correct answers equal to x equal to 84. Understood? Fine. Exercise 1.4. Third problem. A chemist has one solution which is 50% acid and another solution which is 25% acid. How much each should be mixed to make 10 liters of a 40% acid solution? It is mentioned, use Cramer's rule to solve the problem. So let us consider the solutions as first, second and mixture. Okay. Regarding acid contents, first solution 50%, second solution 25% and a mixture contains 40% acid. Regarding quantity in liters, first solution X, second solution as Y and the mixture should have 10 liters by mixing these two solutions. So quantity of mixture solution equal to 10 liters it is mentioned. So we consider the equation as x plus y equal to 10. Next, regarding the acid content, 50% acid and another solution which is 25% acid to make 40% acid solution. Okay. So total amount of acid content of mixture equal to 40%. Let us create the equation. 50% of x plus 25% of y equal to 40% of x plus y. Remember, the mixture contains these two solutions, first and second. Okay. So here we make 40% of x plus y. Now 50% means 50 by 100 into x plus 25 by 100 into y equal to 40 by 100 into x plus y. So by simplifying, that is eliminating that 100 throughout and dividing by 5, we will be getting 10x plus 5y equal to 8 into x plus y. Now bring all to one side so that the equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 0. So with these two equations, the problem is considered as a two equation in two variables. Okay. Then as usual, we can go for Cramer's rule. What is D here? The right hand side constants from the two equations, column matrix 10, 0. Now find delta, the determinant of the coefficient matrix. From the first equation, 1, 1, the first row. Second equation, 2 minus 3, the second row. Simplify, we are getting minus 5. So delta equal to minus 5, which is not equal to 0. So we can proceed for Cramer's rule. Now find delta x. You know, we need to replace the first column by D. So delta x we are getting minus 30. Similarly, find delta y by replacing the second column by D. Here we are getting delta y equal to minus 20. Now go for finding the solution. X equal to delta x by delta, which is minus 30 by minus 5, that is 6. Similarly, y equal to delta y by delta, that is minus 20 by minus 5, that is 4. Therefore, 6 liters of solution 1 and 4 liters of solution 2 should be mixed to get a 40% acid solution of 10 liters. Understood? Good. Exercise 1.4. Fourth problem. A fish tank can be filled in 10 minutes using both pumps capital A and B simultaneously. However, pump B can pump water in or out at the same rate. If pump B is inadvertently run in reverse, then the tank will be filled in 30 minutes. How long would it take each pump to fill the tank by itself? Use Cramer's rule to solve the problem. Let us see the solution. Here it is mentioned how long would it take each pump to fill the tank. So it is concerned about the timing. Let the time taken by the pumps capital A and B separately to fill the tank B, 1 by A and 1 by B respectively. Now it is given 10 minutes using both pumps capital A and B simultaneously. So the first equation goes as 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1 by 10. Next, when pump B run in reverse, then the tank will fill in 30 minutes. So the equation goes as 1 by A minus 1 by B equal to 1 by 30. So it is a problem with the two equations in two variables. What is D? The constants in the right hand side, 1 by 10, 1 by 30. So let us proceed Cramer's rule. Find delta, the determinant of the coefficient matrix, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. So we are getting minus 2 which is not equal to 0. So we can proceed for Cramer's rule. So I consider delta 1 by A. So I replace the first column by D. So getting minus 4 by 30. Delta 1 by A equal to minus 4 by 30. Next, delta 1 by B equal to, replacing the second column by D, we are getting minus 2 by 30. So to find 1 by A first, delta 1 by A by delta, which is minus 4 by 30 by minus 2, simplifying we are getting 1 by 15. From that reciprocating, we get the value of A as 15. Similarly, 1 by B equal to delta 1 by B by delta, which is equal to minus 2 by 30 by minus 2, that is 1 by 30. Reciprocating, we get the value of B as 30. So what is our conclusion? Pumps capital A and B takes 15 minutes and 30 minutes respectively to fill the tank by itself. Understood? Very good. Exercise 1.4, fifth problem. A family of 3 people went out for dinner in a restaurant. The cost of 2 dosai, 3 idlis and 2 vadais is rupees 150. The cost of the 2 dosai, 2 idlis and 4 vadais is rupees 200. The cost of 5 dosai, 5 idlis and 2 vadais is rupees 250. The family has rupees 350 in hand and they ate 3 dosai and 6 idlis and 6 vadais. Will they be able to manage to pay the bill within the amount they had? So, it's a simple problem to make the equations. We can consider the cost of 1 dosai, 1 idli and 1 vadai as our variables x, y, z respectively. So, here let x, y and z be the cost of a dosai, an idli and a vadai in rupees respectively. So first given cost of 2 dosai, 3 idlis and 2 vadais is rupees 150. So the equation is 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 150. Next from the second point, cost of 2 dosai, 2 idlis and 4 vadais is rupees 200. We make the equation 2x plus 2y plus 4z equal to 200. Similarly, from the point cost of 5 dosai, 4 idlis and 2 vadais rupees 250, we get the equation 5x plus 4y plus 2z equal to 250. So combining these three, we are getting the problem as a 3 equation in 3 variables. What is D? The constant matrix. Constants are in the right hand side. So D equal to column matrix 150, 200, 250. Now as usual we find delta. Okay. So here it is mentioned, the question is quite interesting. So the family got only 350 rupees in hand. They ate 3 dosai, 6 idlis and 6 vadais. And they must check whether this is affordable. Okay. So will they are able to manage this bill? Let us see what happens. So by Cramer's rule, we find delta first, determinant of the coefficient matrix. Collect the coefficients in rows 232, 224, 542. Simplifying, we are getting the value of delta as minus 20, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, we can proceed for the next. So, keep it in mind. We are having D equal to column matrix 150, 200, 250 and our delta equal to minus 20, which is not equal to 0. Now, as usual, you find delta x replacing first column by D and we are getting the value as 600, delta x equal to 600. Similarly, proceed delta y replacing the second column by D, we are getting 200, delta y equal to 200. The same way, delta z replacing third column by D, we are getting delta z equal to 600. Now find the variable values using the formula x equal to delta x by delta equal to 600 by 20, which is equal to 30. Therefore, x equal to 30. Y equal to delta y by delta 200 by 20, which is equal to 10. Therefore, y equal to 10. Similarly, z equal to delta z by delta equal to 600 by 20 equal to 30. Therefore, z equal to 30. Therefore, we get the cost of one dosai x equal to rupees 30, cost of one idli y equal to 10 rupees and cost of one vadai z equal to 30 rupees. Now the question, the family got only rupees 350 in hand. They ate 3 dosai, 6 idlis and 6 vadais. We need to check whether it is affordable for them to pay the bill. Okay. From this clue, let us form the equation as 3x plus 6y plus 6z. Substitute the values of x, y, z. So, we are getting 330. Now, rupees 330 is less than rupees 350. Is it? So, what is the climax? The climax is, yes, they can manage their billing and they can eat happily. Understood? Good. Video 1 is to 29 content solved. 1.4.3 third method Gaussian elimination method. Example 1.27, 1.28. Stay tuned. Success is ours. Thank you, my dear children.